What happens when a father inherits property from his mother, but dies without any children? A daughter's inheritance sparks a battle over property rights in the Andhra Pradesh High Court. The Andhra Pradesh High Court ruled that a female Hindu's husband has no right over inherited property if she dies without any children. The decision was based on Section 15(2)(a) of the Hindu Succession Act, which governs inheritance of property by females from their father or mother in the absence of any child. The court cited a Madhya Pradesh High Court judgment to support its ruling. When a female Hindu inherits property from her father or mother in the absence of any child, the property of the deceased shall go to the legal heirs of the father. In a significant ruling, the Andhra Pradesh High Court has clarified that when a female Hindu inherits property from her father or mother in the absence of any children, her husband will not get any right over the inherited property upon her death. This decision was made while considering a writ petition challenging an order by the Revisional Authority cum Joint Collector. The case involved Chikkala Venkayamma, who owned a suit property and executed a gift settlement deed in favor of her granddaughter Srivirita. After Srivirita's death, the donor, Dattatreya, cancelled the gift deed and executed a registered will in favor of his second granddaughter Devika Mansa. When Venkayamma died, the writ petitioners appealed to the Revenue Divisional Officer to mutate or incorporate her name in place of Srivirita in the revenue records. The appeal was disposed of by the Revenue Divisional Officer, which was then challenged before the Revisional Authority cum Joint Collector by Srivirita's husband. The High Court bench held that as per Section 15(2)(a) of the Hindu Succession Act, if the property is inherited by a female Hindu from her father or mother in the absence of any child, the property of the deceased shall go to the legal heirs of the father. The bench cited the judgment of the Madhya Pradesh High Court in Anandilal Jharia and another versus Ramlal Jharia and another, 2010, which held that when a daughter inherits property from her father and dies without children, the property devolves upon her father's heirs, not her husband or his family. Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.